like a 7-8 hour ride, but we've stopped now because I think they're getting some repair shit done with the bus.
Out.
Hi guys.
I'm back at the vlog.
फैन ऑफ कैसे हो गया?
तुम्हारा बैक किया.
Oh.
अरे why you again going to switch on the fan? छिड़ा दे.
हाँ.
देवेश को बोल रहे हैं इसका ख्याल करना.
हाँ. Yes. एकदम. हम सुबह.
बोल दी देवेश को कि मेरा बेटी का जिम्मेदारी तुम्हारा है. बेटर यू लुक अप द
सुबह भी.
उसको हैबिट है ट्रैकिंग का. फर्स्ट है.
मेरा ख्याल कौन रखेगा?
तुम्हारा
ओ मेरा.
ब्लेसिंग.
हम अपना खुद का देख ले.
We are about to have dinner and
We have made a theater out of the upper
this
part.
is the setup. वहाँ पे मूवी चल रहा है. यहाँ पे हमारा खाना है.
The next morning.
What are you doing? Come fast. Good morning guys. We have reached our first destination.
अभी हम लोग उतरने वाले हैं ट्रेन से उतर के सारा लगेज लेके हम लोग एक स्पॉट पे जाएंगे. वहाँ से हम लोग को बस लेना है. बस से हम लोग एक स्पॉट पे पहुँचेंगे. फिर वहाँ से दूसरा व्हीकल रहेगा हम लोग के लिए.
लाइट पैकिंग का नतीजा 1 बैग 2 3 4 5 and 2 trolleys.
हम लोग ये रास्ते से नहीं जाते हैं. अच्छा. वो लंबा रास्ता रखता है ना. देखो रेड नंबर. हम लोग का जिस तरह बिहार हो गया. हम लोग का बिहार नंबर चला जाता है. यूपी का है तो यूपी देता है. इधर में ये 12 जिला परसा जिला हम लोग का बिहार इतना. अच्छा जी. Madam is walking with our Toto fellow. मेरा नाम राजन कुमार है. मेरा पापा जी का नाम रमेश है.
Can you see how big that board is? Biggest Ludo board ever. Finally.
Someone has got her tea. And this is Rajan Bhaiya.
Yes, meet Rajan भैया. We met him
हमारे
at the
प्रिय
station.
मित्र हमको स्टेशन पे मिले थे. He guided us to get to this point from where we have to board a bus to get to the next place. And
he's
here we have
been
comfort
very
tea.
helpful.
And tea is very sweet. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. अपडेट देना था कि we have just landed at this place from where we are going for a trek to a secret location. Why a secret location मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Because this trek has been organized by a group of people who have always wanted to keep it discreet. That is why you will not find the information about this trek even on the internet or neither on Instagram or anything of that sort. We are really excited about this. We have prepped a lot for this and we'll show you all of it along the way. लेकिन मेन बात आपको ये बताना है कि जो हम लोग करने वाले हैं वो हम लोग दोनों ने कभी नहीं किया इसके पहले. एंड इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ वन ऑफ अ काइंड एक्सपीरियंस.
मैंने तो ट्रैक भी नहीं किया है.
Yeah, I have been a person who's
done a
into-
lot
was
of
into-
treks, but I've never done a trek. Okay, so I'm very excited. We've done a lot of preps also for this. I mean, last 4-5 months से हम लोग इसके प्रेप में लगे हुए हैं। लास्ट एक
Actually,
महीने में हमारे घर पे कितने Amazon पार्सल्स आए होंगे उसका कोई काउंट नहीं है।
सही नहीं, at least in the last 1 week.
या बैक
Last
टू
1
बैक
week
टू
में
बैक।
तो, and on top of that मेरे तो मॉम नहीं थी तो I had called for all my deliveries at her place, तो मैम तो कलेक्ट करते गए हैं। We are carrying an entire collection to this place.
We showed you our bags, right? We were planning to pack light, but we ended up with 7 bags. Guys, 7
Between
bags
2
for 2
people.
people.
Oh, that was something. That is something.
That is
Not
something,
one.
yeah. Like Vasa told you, we are going on a trek to a secret location because we've been told not to disclose the
Anything
name of the
about
location a lot because the people who organized it. The people who organized it want to keep the place very, clean and protected from a lot of crowd and a lot of.
And it's an NGO basically. So
Yeah.
this entire trek that has been organized is done by an NGO, and it's a non-profit initiative by them. All
And you
the money
won't see
that we
any
are-
kind of promotions about this on the internet or anywhere.
Yeah.
It's like a rare find.
do
So,
that. And mainly whatever they have directed us to do and everything and all, they have not taken any money from us for that. They have asked us to reach these particular places where they have made arrangements, and we are supposed to pay the people out there only. So it's मतलब उन्होंने जो ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया
Organize
बहुत
किया
ही ओपन वे में ऑर्गेनाइज किया where everyone knows what the costs and the expenses and everything is, and trust me, it's very reasonable because उन्होंने अपना कैसे ही किया है, and we are also shocked at how reasonable this is.
and
But
it's pretty well arranged. I mean, they've been in constant touch with us. They've sent us PDFs of what we should carry and what all things we should keep in
Necessities,
mind. खाने वाने का arrangement, plus आपका they've got like a first aid center where if anybody needs any kind of help they can go there, and yeah, everything is very well organized, and we are very very excited and happy to take you guys along on this trip of ours. So yes, stay tuned, we'll be showing you everything as we go
a lot
go
more
through
is
it.
to come.
Yes, a lot is
Lot
to
more
come.
is yet to
Yes.
come. I
And
am waiting to show you guys a beautiful sunrise that we're gonna come across, and a starry night too.
Yes,
So it's gonna be
sir.
a full package. Wait for it, and please, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, I'm telling this to you guys in the beginning only. This is going to be a mini series. You will miss out on it if you have not yet subscribed to our
कर लो
channel.
यार,
Subscribe
कर
कर लो
अब कर
और
लो।
अपडेटेड रहना। बेल आइकन पे टिंग कर देना ताकि टिंग हो जाए जब हम लोग अपलोड करें। एंड ड्रॉप योर कमेंट्स एंड डोंट आस्क अस वेयर वी आर गोइंग बिकॉज़ वी कांट डिस्क्लोज इट गाइस।
That was shot in Nepal.
Could be.
Second cup of tea.
60
Got this.
for what? For the chips?
Yes. This is something sweet, and this is something spicy. Very exciting. Malpua. है ना दीदी?
उनको क्या पता मालपुआ क्या होगा?
You might know.
तो है ना पूछ दिया।
I thought they what a malpua is.
They would have also called it that only, no then.
No, maybe it's similar but different.
Same, but
Mm. Look at that.
এখন এনজয় করছে। বাহ, খুব ভালো। দুর্গাপুরে
This bus ride of ours is supposed to be like a 7-8 hour ride, and I've been hoping कि जल्दी पहुंचे, but we've stopped now because I think they're getting some repair shit done. with the bus. So copyright. I was telling Vasa कि the weather we are experiencing right now, if we have this weather 24/7 throughout the year, no,
You probably wouldn't fight with anyone.
food पूरा टाइम अच्छा ही रहेगा क्योंकि
You're not sweating, man. I think people in
Exactly.
Canada are
are
mostly
agitated
irritated
because of that. Yeah. I mean, it does have some part to play.
I'm sure. No, very major part to play because even when I go to my sister's place in Bangalore, over there also they are like in Canada on the roads people road rage a lot.
Yeah.
And in that we do not see it happen a lot in Bangalore. Even though in Bangalore there is 3x more traffic. That's because of the humidity. And hence that is what I was telling you that it is I'm a very weak
उतने
personality.
I mean, I can understand उतने गर्मी में whatever vehicle you're driving, a bike, a car, whatever, if you have to wait for even 2 more seconds for another car's mistake, then you would be irritated because
That is what I was telling her about. That, I'm a very weak personality when it comes to wanting to stay in a city because
वादिया ही है.
I mean I have been a mountain person since I was a
Same.
child. I was in the
Same.
5th standard or the 6th standard since I started trekking. And around that time I did it for 7 years continuously. And was that it stopped, but I kept traveling in to the hills somewhere or the other. And it just keeps like makes me go on a little longer while I'm in the city to think,
To
plan
wait for
and
the next time.
Definitely 100%.
Small halt here. We just went to the washroom, which is there, and हमें यहाँ पे लंच करना था, बट सैडली यहाँ पे मोमोज नहीं है जो मुझे चाहिए. तो to look at the sunset. Finally got off the bus, guys. What happened?
Kitchen food.
Oh damn, looks bad. We have finally gotten off the bus. It was a long and exhausting and never-ending ride. I'm glad it's over. And दिन के time पे when we could see the scenery and the views and everything, it was nice. But once it got dark, we were like, when is it ending? So our bags are a little
Busy Bee Cafe
jammed.
सुना है? उसके
उसके
पहले।
अलावा भी हाँ हमारे होस्ट ने ही हमारे लिए कैब अरेंज किया है. So they came to pick us up from the bus stop. Right now we are heading to our accommodation and yes we'll update you.
आपका चॉइस.
अच्छा है ना? बहुत सुंदर.
आपका वो बुकिंग तो ये उनका है.
अच्छा.
इससे आपका रूम नंबर में पाएगा फिर तो
Just changed, taken a shower, freshened up, which was much needed. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं. अब हम लोग कहाँ हैं? कहाँ जा रहे हैं? We are going to a cafe, which has been set as a meeting point by the organizers. So we leave for the trek tomorrow, early morning. Okay. Please with me. And आज वो लोग today they are mainly giving us like a brief and giving us all the info that we need to know before
Since
we
you are
leave
first
tomorrow.
timers.
Yeah, since we are first timers. You're not a first timer. We came from here only, no?
निकलने का यही से ना? हाँ मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया.
आप आने टाइम में भी ऐसे आइए.
इधर ही चला. और
करता
ये खुला रहेगा. हाँ खुला रहेगा.
सर लॉन्ड्री होता है क्या यहाँ पे?
होता है.
तो हम लोग कपड़े दे देंगे आपको कल. आप ठीक है ओके आके देते. थैंक
भैया
यू.
आपका नाम क्या है?
कीवी.
कीवी.
हाँ जी.
कीवी ओके. Same here. Thank you. Hey, it's raining. Should we not? Babe, I just shampooed.
What do you want to do?
सर कोई अम्ब्रेला है क्या? Devesh has gone to that place to check if we can get any sort of transport, because as you can see everything is shut and dark and it's drizzling. So yep, we should get this for home, no? When you can't decide what you want to have. We finally managed a ride.
हम लोग को लेके जाएंगे, उन लोग सबको जितना जन जाएगा उसको बुलाया वहाँ पे और ब्रीफ करेगा कल सुबह कितना बजे मिलना है, कहाँ मिलना
This place is so cool. These are, I think, coaster type shit. They have such cool stuff over here, man. Oh, fridge magnets. I was looking for fridge magnets, baby. What's this?
Hello.
Hi. Get the spin the wheel.
I swear,
Nice place, huh?
I want that concept every day. Let's see that they come in.
Where? Oh, yes. I want to eat from there. We got a pizza from this place.
Pizza.
Here is the baby. Oh my goodness. This does look good.
This is yours. This is mine, babe.